With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us try to solve the given problem. So the given problem states the vessel shown in the figure has two sections of areas of cross section A1 and A2. So here you can see that this vessel has two areas. This is A2 and this is A1. Right now a liquid of density rho fills both the section up to a height h in each. So you can see that the liquid is filled in both the tubes up to the height h in both the columns. Now we have to choose the correct options. Right now let us try to solve them one by one. So the pressure at the base of the vessel is 2h rho g. Now let us try to check the first option. We know that to find the pressure due to a liquid column at any point, what we need to know the depth of the liquid column. So depth here is simply 2h. So if we find the pressure at the bottom, it will be simply rho g h. So h here is simply 2h. So if you put the value, this will be rho g h. So this option is correct. The pressure at the base is simply 2 rho g h. Now this is the first part and this is correct. Now let us try to check the next part. The force exerted by the liquid on the base of the vessel is 2h rho g into A2. Now we know that if we want to find the force at the base, so we have to multiply the pressure at the base by the area of the base, and here the area of the base is simply A2. So if we multiply, we get force at the base is simply 2 times, if we put the value of pressure, rho g h A2. So this option is also correct. Now the weight of the liquid is less than 2h rho g A2. Now let us try to check this option. How do we find the weight of the liquid? So to find the weight of the liquid, total weight of the liquid, this is option number 3, this is option number 2. We have to add the weight of the liquid in both the columns. So what is the weight of the liquid in first column? It is simply mass of the liquid in the first column. So let us take this as m1 into g plus m2 into g. Now what is the value of m1? M1 is simply rho times density into volume. So what is the volume? Volume is simply here A2 into hg plus for m2, let us take the mass is simply m2 here. So it will be simply density into A1 into h into g. Now if you solve this further, what you are going to get? You are going to get rho g h. You can take common and you take A1 plus A2. Now you can see that A1 plus A2 is simply less than 2 times A2, right? We can very clearly see that A1 is less than A2. So A1 plus A2 will be clearly less than 2A2, which simply means that total weight of the liquid will be simply less than 2 times rho g h A2, because the total weight is this much, rho g h A1 plus A2. Since A1 plus A2 is less than 2 times A2, so you can see that the total weight of the liquid here is simply less than this. So this is also correct. Now we have to find the walls of the vessel at the x exerts a downward force h rho g A2 minus A1. So you can see here, due to the pressure at this xx, there will be a downward force by this liquid and there is a upward force by this part of the liquid, right? So let us try to find that. So the force due to the, let us try to find the net force. So the net force will be simply the upward force is more, so we can take pressure at depth x. So pressure at depth x will be simply rho g h, because you see that the depth till here is simply h. So net pressure in the upward direction is simply rho g h A2. This is this pressure, this is this force. So the net force in the upward direction is rho g h A2 minus the force in the downward direction, which is simply rho GH pressure times the area. So you can see that if we take rho GH common, so the net upward force will be simply A2 minus A1. So here all the options are correct. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.